Welcome. Today we're going to walk through the updated method of unarchiving a group on WhatsApp. It's a simple process, so let's dive right into the steps together. First, let's make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed to access all the newest features. Here's how to unarchive that group. 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your Android device. 2. Go to Archive Chats on the main screen. Scroll down to the bottom of your chat list. Here, you will find and tap on Archived. This section contains all your archived chats. 3. Select the group. Find the specific group you wish to unarchive. Long press on the group chat. This will select it and reveal additional options at the top of the screen. 4. Unarchive. Look for the icon that is a box with an upward arrow. Tap this icon to unarchive the group. The group will then be moved back to your main chat list, and you can resume chatting. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily unarchive any group on WhatsApp and keep your chats organized. This is a helpful way to manage your WhatsApp groups effectively.